Hi, if you've come to this guide, then it means you've decided to take your Instagram one step further. Before we start with the tutorial, you need to download the Lightroom app. It is in the Google Play Store. You can write there in the search box Lightroom and it will be the first app in the search result. If you already have the app, you can skip straight to the guide. To download the preset, see the first section on the email I send you and click on your preset file under Downloads. At this point, you press the last white down button or continue to website. Immediately afterward, the photo will be open. They will appear without my preset because Dropbox shows it like this. Now what's left to do is to download every picture one by one. Please click on the first picture, then top right on the three dots, then direct download and click on download. After that, just repeat this process: direct download, download, return. Don't wait for it to complete the download. It can download multiple images at once. If it says open file, no need to open the file. Now in the next step we are getting into the Lightroom app. If it looks like this, it's because you don't have any pictures yet. If you do have pictures, then you will probably be in the all photos category. Anyway, you just have to import photos at the moment. What you need to do is just click the plus icon and make sure you are on time where I mark it. And all my presets will appear. Now you simply mark them all at once. Here is this example. We have 9 pictures. Click add on the bottom right. Now it will import the photos into the app. It may take a few minutes. Afterward, you will get to the last step of saving the presets, and then you can use the app for your photos. Once it adds them one by one, click on all photos and it will just open everything. Notice that it may show you that it uploads 6 photos, but it did upload you all here inside the circle because there is an arrow on the top right that says 8. You just need to click it and it's open the pictures, and then in total we have 9 pictures. And now let's go to the last step of saving the presets and finish the installation. Now we will import all the presets into the Lightroom app. Currently they are not set in the app yet. We will need to set up one by one. This is of course a one-time act, and we will save them in the app so you can use them for all your photos from now on. So what you do next is click on the first or any image you like, click on the 3 dots on the right and then click on create presets. Here we will open a folder to have is sorted. Click on user presets or color, which you will then register. On create new preset group, name it by whatever name you want. You can call it by the name of the presets brown collection and then call it brown wine, for example. Now the next image, 3 dots, create presets. We have already opened a folder, so we will just search for it, brown collection, and we will call it brown 2, and so on for all the pictures. After we have saved all the settings for the presets, we will now import a photo to see how to use the presets on your pictures. To import your image, you have to the blue button on the bottom right. You need to click on the plus icon and open the image you want to edit. For example, we will select this one. You can click on V and slide the bar down to the left and click presets. Now it will open for us a random folder that is irrelevant. We will click on the color with the arrow and look for the brown collection, which is the folder we have saved the presets in. Now let's just click them one by one and see how it changed the image according to the settings of the image you saved, and it's simply stunning. After you chose the presets you want, there is of course an option to edit the picture with the settings here. I will give a brief explanation about the tools. Here is the crop button that allows you to crop a image with the sizes that they already build and costumes. There is square option, which is actually Instagram option. There is a 4x5 options that is also optimized for Instagram. You can choose by clicking on the checkbox. If you see that the image is a little bit burned, or the color or your skin is a little bit too tan or suddenly too pixelated, because it's very much depends on where you are taking the picture, how the lighting was in the same image, and then it really does changes between images. What you need to do next is to try the color option. Click on it, and then on the right there is a mix and orange, and you can play here with the color of the body. For example, in effects you can play with the texture, which sometimes comes out a bit pixelated. Because of the lightly stronger presets in terms of the texture, so you can also play with it as you see it. I would recommend not touching these settings too much, so you can really keep your feed consistent. And here is the light options that can be configured here according to the lighting, but again it is less recommended to touch, maybe just to make it look less burned, but that's it. Now to save the image, click on the square with the arrow on the top right and save to camera roll, then maximum available, and it's on your device gallery. And this is it, love. Hope the guide helped you. It's your time to make the perfect pictures and to have the perfect feed. If you got stuck with anything, you are welcome to DM me on Instagram or by email. This is my email. Have a wonderful day. Bye.